This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. Well, on the gold market we unfortunately didn't get our pattern that we have discussed. Particularly we have talked about the potential bullish stop grabber here, because if it has been formed, we could expect the possible taking out of these highs and reaching of this 1440 area with the confidence. But unfortunately that hasn't happened, and market has shown some deeper action right to the nearest support area that we have discussed. So you can see that this is the weekly pivot support one near the FIB support 1372, and that is, take a look, previous the consolidation on daily time frame. But as the market hasn't moved too far from these targets, I think that the potential for returning right back and hitting these targets still exists. Until market will not continue move lower and will pass through this support area, we still should be careful and should aware of this potential pitfall for the bears, for those who entered short with this move down. I think that the menace hasn't vanished by the price action at all. Totally, there's still some hazards still exist that market will still return right back. That is still possible, especially if, since we know the gold market's habits, we know that's easily could be done by the gold, and market now stands at the support, so anything this could happen. Well, on the hourly time frame, sorry, on the 4-hour time frame, we have another moment that could lead for this action. Take a look, that market has formed a huge hammer pattern. It's right here. And as we discussed, since the possibility that market could return right back, and mostly our major reason for that is the untouched target still exists, the potential pattern that could be formed here that simultaneously assumes the creating this slightly higher highs and simultaneously is a reversal pattern, that is that double bottom, double top. So that really could happen. This could be the first top. If market really will start move to the upside, that could become the second top when the market will hit 1440 target and turns to the downside with the deeper retracement. That's absolutely possible. Well, now we can see market stands at the support and has formed this pattern, and until market will not take out of these lows and will not erase this hammer pattern, we can't say that market is continuing move down and the bearish trend has been reestablished. Until market stands above it, the possibility for upward action still exists. And here is how we could deal with it. First of all, the major risk for us is that market has not broken yet the tendency of the lower highs and lower lows. So you can see this tendency still holds. Even with this, market hasn't created the higher high. This is lower high still, and theoretically this downward action is still in place. That is our hammer pattern. So safest way to deal with it, if you would like to take the long position here, if you're a scalp trader and you would like to take the long position, the safest way to deal with it will be wait when the market will create the greater high. That will tell us this probably the upward action has started. Use some retracement and enter long with this potential. Sorry guys, that is uploading. With this potential move to the upside. Also, another possibility, if market will start show the retracement to the downside, this could be some kind of the godless triple to buy or something of that sort, and you would like to enter, say, on the support area around 1385. That is also possible. But in this case, you take the risk that market will erase and vanish this hammer, because tendency still holds, and if market will show us move here, it doesn't mean that tendency has been broken. So this still will be the lower highs and lower lows. In this case, you will get the better entry from the price, and your risk will be smaller, because you will be able to place the tighter stop. But your risk is also will be greater, because in this case market could turn, for instance, to forming of this butterfly pattern. That's also possible. Well, here, by the way, market has formed a bullish stop grabber on the hourly time frame. You see it. So if this pattern will hold, market could really start move to the upside. So you can see that this is not a simple task for the scalp trading. If you're a positional trader, you probably should wait when the double top pattern will appear, or until market will not vanish this hammer pattern. So your situation is a bit simpler. But for those who trade intraday charts, guys, this mostly will depend on your risk management and your assessment of the current situation. This hammer is not absolutely bad, since it has appeared at the support, and it really has the long shadow to the downside, and it has chances to start the upward action. But that is a bit personal how you usually trade in these situations. So whether you take position here at the support area with the hope that market will start to move to the upside, or you will wait when the market will confirm this really bullish ambitions by creating the greatest swing to the upside, and then later enter the retracement. Both of these ways worth of the attention, and both of these ways are reasonable. It's just mostly depends on your sentiment, on your personality, how you usually deal with the markets. Well, but as I said, as market stands now at support, and it hasn't passed too much from the previous top, the possibility that of a return back and hitting the 1440 area still exists. That's why be extra careful if you would like currently to take the short position. Since market still stands near the previous highs, it could be not quite safe. So be careful with that, and take a look at this situation, because it really carries significant possibility for trading in the short-term perspective.